We'll guide you through how to censor content in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Once your project is open, go to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the interface. Now, you need to locate the clip you want to censor on your timeline. Select the clip by clicking on it, then head over to the Effects library on the top left of the screen. In the Effects library, you'll see an option for Resolve Effects. Click on that to expand it, and then scroll down until you find the Mosaic Blur effect. Drag and drop the Mosaic Blur effect onto your clip on the timeline. Now, to adjust the blur, go to the Inspector panel on the top right. If the inspector is not visible, you can enable it by clicking on the Inspector button in the upper right corner. In the inspector, you'll see the Resolve Effects tab where you can adjust the blur strength and the size of the blur area to fit over the content you want to censor. You can also move the blur effect around by adjusting the position parameters. If you need to track a moving object or face, click on the Effects tab in the inspector, then select the tracker and click on the Track Forward button. DaVinci Resolve will automatically follow the movement of the object, keeping it censored throughout the clip. Once you are satisfied with the censoring, make sure to save your project by clicking on File, then Save Project. This ensures all your changes are preserved. That's it. You're all set to continue editing your video, knowing your sensitive content is properly censored. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.